Dealing with order returns is trouble. It can be daunting and even discourage you from scaling your business. Discover the secrets to turning returns into opportunities and keeping your customers happy, all while boosting your profits. Don't miss these game-changing tips. Hey everyone, this is Jean from DSers, and we're here today to discuss dropshipping returns. We're going to talk about why you should pay attention to that, how to deal with them, what are the most common reasons for return, and also give you some tips on how to reduce the amount of returns you may have to deal with. As usual, please leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and let's get started. Dropshipping returns is about managing the return of products that customers have bought and decided to send back, either because the item is defective, not as described, or simply unwanted. Dealing with your order return is quite important for several reasons. One, it helps with customer satisfaction and trust. Offering a straightforward and fair return policy can enhance customer trust and confidence into your business. Customers are more likely to make purchases if they know they can return items without hassle, improving the customer's trust. Efficient return handling can lead to repeat customers. Satisfied customers are more likely to return to a store where they had a positive experience, even with returns, leading to higher customers' loyalty. Two, it builds brand reputation. A smooth return process can lead to a positive review and a word-of-mouth recommendation, which are crucial for building a good brand reputation. Properly handling returns can also help to mitigate negative experiences and prevent dissatisfied customers from spreading negative feedback. Three, it provides good data and insight. Returns often come with valuable feedback about the product quality, fit, or description accuracy directly from your customer. This information can be used to improve product listing and customer satisfaction in the long run. Identifying common issues for returns can help in refining product offering, avoiding future returns, and improving the overall quality of products. So yes, dropshipping returns can be annoying, but they are also important and useful. Every dropshipper should be aware of the importance of return policy, either from their supplier or their own, as they are both very important. Before setting your own return policy, it's crucial to understand your supplier's term. There are a few key points to consider about that. The return window. How long after purchase can products be returned? Potential restocking fees. Are there any fees for returns? Condition requirement. Does the item need to be unopened or in original packaging? Return proof. Whether customers are required to provide products, photos, or videos as proof. Non-returnable items. What products are non-returnable? Return process. What is the procedure for returning items and who handles the logistics? Those are all very important points that you should pay attention to when you select a supplier. Once you've grasped your supplier policy, you should absolutely create a return policy that works for your store. This should be clear, fair, and customer-friendly while also aligning with your supplier's term. There too are some key points you should think about. The return window. Offer a slightly shorter period than your supplier. For example, if your supplier accepts returns in 30 days, you are supposed to set up the return period in 20 to 25 days, because sometimes you might forget to process the return request. Return process. Try to incorporate all supplier policies into your own return policy. Clearly outline the steps customers need to follow, including who they should contact and what information they need to provide. It is not recommended to display the return address directly on the return policy page. Lead customers to contact you and give your address based on the specific issues. Refund and exchanges. Specify whether you offer refunds, exchanges, or store credit and the condition under which those are applicable. Shipping cost. State whether customers need to cover return shipping costs or you will handle them. Alright, now let's get in the mud and see what are the most common reasons for product returns. 1. Product defects. To handle these cases, it's important to quickly resolve the issue by offering a replacement, repair, or refund. Quality control inspection can help reduce defects and improve customer satisfaction. If this repeats, you should consider changing supplier. 2. Customer dissatisfaction. It occurs when a product doesn't meet the buyer's expectation or differs from the description provided on the e-commerce platform. Resolving this problem may involve offering exchanges, refunds, or improving product information and customer communication. 3. Wrong item received. When customers receive the wrong product due to order fulfillment or shipping errors, it's important to quickly identify and correct the mistake. Addressing this issue promptly helps maintain customer trust and satisfaction. Check with your supplier what happened to make sure this doesn't happen again. 4. Size or color mismatch. Size or color mismatches often happen in fashion and home goods. To manage this issue, it's important to make it easy for customers to exchange items, provide clear sizing charts, detail product info, and streamline the exchange process. Using tools like virtual try-on and color samples can also help reduce these mismatches. 5. The buyer changed his mind. These returns happen when a customer changes their mind or no longer need the product after receiving it. You can accept returns, but ask customers to pay for the return shipping fee in that case. As you can see, returns are due to a lot of different reasons. It's important to be ready to deal with each of them. There are a few things you can do to ensure a smooth process for both you and your customers. Step 1. Return request. There, the customer contacts you to request a return, providing necessary details such as the reason for the return, order number, and condition of the item. If the return is approved, provide the customer with a return authorization number and instruction for returning the item. Step 2. Return shipping. Provide the customer with a return shipping label if your policy covers return shipping costs. Otherwise, instruct the customer to use a reliable shipping method and provide tracking information. Step 3. Item inspection. Track the return and confirm receipt with your supplier. The supplier inspects the return item to ensure it meets the return criteria. If the item is damaged or used, you may need to discuss partial refund or other resolution with the customer. Step 4. Refund or replacement. If the return is approved, initiate the refund process. Be clear about the timeline, as refunds may take a few days to process. If the customer requests a replacement or exchange, coordinate with your supplier to ship the new item. Ensure the customer is kept informed of the new shipping details. Step 5. Review and feedback. Regularly review and update your return policy to address common issues and improve customer satisfaction. Ask customers for feedback on the return process to identify areas where improvement and enhance the overall shipping experience. Make sure to follow each step carefully every time you have to deal with a return. It should become a habit. It will help you make things smoother. There are some tips you can follow to help you reduce the possibility of returns. First, make sure you choose reliable suppliers. Partner with suppliers known for consistent product quality. Regularly check product samples to ensure they meet your standards. Second, provide clear and accurate product information. Include comprehensive product details, size charts, and clear images from multiple angles. Use high-resolution images to give customers a clear view of the product. Third, set clear expectations. Clearly state expected shipping times, including any potential delays. The more details you give, the better. Fourth, effective communication. Offer prompt and helpful customer service to address concerns and questions before they escalate into return. If you can solve a problem before they ask to replace, refund, or return the product, you'll save time and money. Lastly, offer alternative solutions. Provide store credits or coupons as an alternative to refunds, encouraging repeat purchases. Ultimately, you want to avoid returns if possible, so try to put those tips into action. As we saw, with the proper organizing, dealing with the returns in your dropshipping store can be less troublesome. It's important to be prepared with a strong return policy and a plan. There are also a lot of different ways you can reduce the potential returns, so make sure to think about those. We hope this will help you with your dropshipping business. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe. Let us know in the comments what you think. And until next time, happy dropshipping.